Termidor SC is a highly effective and long-lasting termiticide and insecticide used to control a wide range of common pests in different environments. This product is made with fipronil, eliminates pest populations within 90 days, and can protect your home from termites for up to 10 years. Termidor SC is non-repellent, so pests like termites and ants will unknowingly come into contact with treated areas and spread it within their colonies, leading to total elimination. Termidor SC is a concentrate, so it must be mixed with water before application. Mix and apply this product with a handheld pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume applications. To use as a trench treatment, you will need a pickaxe or shovel and a bucket with at least a 5-gallon capacity. Do not use this product in a spray tank with borate contaminants. Before application, calculate the size of your treatment area and use that to determine how much product you'll use. Measure the area's length and width and multiply them together. When conducting a trench treatment, measure the perimeter of the structure in linear feet. Termidor SC can be mixed at a rate between 0.4 and 1.6 fluid ounces of product per gallon of finished solution depending on the desired dilution ratio. For most general applications, we recommend you use 0.8 fluid ounces of Termidor SC per 1 gallon of finished solution to achieve a 0.06% dilution. Termidor SC's tip and measure bottle makes it easy to get the right measurements. Just tip the bottle to fill the chamber, then set it on a stable surface and allow the chamber to drain to 0.8 fluid ounces as indicated on the bottle. For general exterior surface spraying, 1 gallon of solution will treat about 1,000 square feet. For termite trenching, mix 4 gallons of solution to treat every 10 linear feet. To mix this product in a sprayer, fill the sprayer with about 1/4 of a gallon of water, then add your desired amount of Termidor SC. Add the remaining water up to your sprayer's 1 gallon mark, then agitate the solution. For exterior surface applications, apply Termidor SC as a low-pressure, coarse spray. Spray up to an 18-inch wide band around common insect entry points like around doors, windows, vents, utility penetrations, and any other opening. You may also apply your solution as a barrier application by spraying around your structure's perimeter. For termite trenching applications, dig a trench around the structure's perimeter 6 inches wide and 6 inches deep, then apply 4 gallons of solution for every 10 linear feet. Once complete, replace the displaced soil and pack it down for adequate distribution. Termidor SC can be used to treat pre- and post-construction sites on commercial, industrial, institutional, and residential properties. Use Termidor SC for the treatment and prevention of termites and other labeled pests, including but not limited to cockroaches, cluster flies, spiders, brown dog ticks, paper wasps, and yellow jackets. Apply Termidor SC on calm days when rain is not in the immediate forecast. Termidor SC is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.